The birthday list begins with a smiling Emma Metcalf. Emma, a very happy 7th birthday to you with love from Mom, Dad, Bub, and baby brother. Miss Metcalf celebrates in Fort Scott.
Next, we have Bryn Casper celebrating a 10th birthday out of Devon, Kansas, and that is a super cute dog.
It is.
Happy birthday, Bryn. Hope you're celebrating with your dog today.
Gord Saporito, he's out on the baseball. I knew Gord would be there. We'd probably have a baseball picture, absolutely. Gord is celebrating his 11th birthday in Columbus.
Turning 16, we have Braxton Irish out of St. Paul. Happy birthday, Braxton.
Now, speaking of Saporitos and baseball fields, this is Cade. He's also in Columbus. And then on May 17th, that was his golden birthday. And congratulations to Cade and his entire Columbus Titan team as they are headed to the 3A State Baseball Tournament. First time in school history. That's something else.
All right, and next we have Allison Voles turning 30.
Oh, wow.
Allison is out of Parsons, and you have a special message.
There's not Parsons behind her.
No.
I wanted to point that out.
Yeah, thank you. You got some love from Mom, Glenn, brothers, sisters, nephews, and nieces. So happy birthday, Allison. I hope you're able to celebrate with all these people that are giving love to you on your special day.
In Seneca, we find Lacey Skaggs, and a happy birthday to Lacey, who is now 43. And Lacey, I want you to know this comes with birthday love from Aspen, Olivia, Ava, Amory, and Mom.
We have a belated birthday for Jennifer Bauer. Jennifer turned 52 on Saturday and is out of Thayer.
Lisa Slater, celebrating the double nickel right there. She's turning 55 in Parsons. I'm told that Lisa shares an anniversary with her husband Zane earlier this month. Well, I would hope they would share this. I would hope they would share an anniversary.
Right? It'd be kind of awkward if they didn't.
That would make sense. Happy birthday, Lisa.
All right. Next, we have Nancy Thornton, but we're going back to Thayer, and Nancy is turning 67. So happy birthday, Nancy.
In Crestline, we got the pastor, Paul Duncan. Paul is a pastor at Crestline Baptist Church, and pastor, a very happy 69th birthday.
Okay, we have Gary Wells. He's turning 73, and in this picture, we have we have his Rolls Royce, but also his wife. So happy birthday, Gary.
You may want to flip those in order of importance.
I'm so sorry, it's early.
That's good. Cade Swartz, happy birthday in Pittsburgh. Cade's not only rocking the water bottle, but also the red Solo Cup.
All right, next we have Betty Bailey. Another belated birthday. Her birthday was on Friday, and she is out of Chanute. Happy birthday.
We have quite a few anniversaries to pass along today, and we're going to start with Walter and Heather York. They happen to be the older brother and sister-in-law of our own Will York, who puts the birthday list together each and every morning. And the man there in charge of the tractor, that is Wyatt, their 9-month-old son. So a very happy birthday, or a very happy anniversary to both Walter and Heather. They celebrate in Crestline.
All right, another anniversary. We have James and Tiffany Hutto celebrating their 13th anniversary. And James and Tiffany are out of Columbus.
Now we jump to Parsons because Mike and Zella Gamblin, they're celebrating their 24th anniversary. My goodness, congratulations to Mike and Zella.
All right, we have Bob and Sally Davis celebrating a 25th anniversry, and they are out of Columbus.
What a great picture right there.
Yeah.
That's what they look like 25 years ago. They may very well still look identical to that. We've got David and Brenda Mayfield. How about this for a milestone as they are celebrating their 40th anniversary. Congratulations, David and Brenda.
All right.
And these two. Oh, we did turn back the clock on this. I can vouch for this one.
All
That
right.
is stupendous.
So this is Galen and Rhonda Zook. And if you didn't know, Rhonda is our business manager here at KOAM, and they are celebrating a 40th anniversary.
And every now and then, Galen brings out tractors and toys and lets me ride them in the front yard.
Here?
Yes.
Why have I not gotten to do that?
Galen, we have a specific request from one Bronte Sorosky. The next time you can bring the old souped-up tractor along.
Yeah, I'm highly qualified to do that.
Bronte
for sure.
says she is highly qualified. I want to point that out. Not just qualified, highly qualified. Congratulations, Galen and Rhonda, and thank you for that picture as well. That is absolutely marvelous. My goodness, 40 years. That's great.
Wow.
And then this person who makes our world go round. And folks, what you don't understand is how important she is, what a loving person she is, and how much she's meant to me personally. I'm going to tell you that much. Stephanie Marsh is our assignment editor. And so what that means is the content that we bring you each and every day on each and every show essentially makes its way out of her desk. She is in charge. And Steph, number one, you know how much we think about you from a professional standpoint. But I want to say personally, you know I love you, kiddo, and it has been just such a pleasure to work with you.
Definitely, just add on to that. As a reporter, Stephanie, she literally helps me get through each and every day. So Thank you, Stephanie, and happy belated birthday.
Happy birthday, Steph. All right, let's wrap up with Lisa Johnson, who's celebrating 55 in Thayer. Lisa, a very happy birthday to you. And then Bronte and I do know where to find the birthday cake later on this morning, and evidently that will be in Girard, because Ken Scott, he had a birthday over the weekend and turned 85 in Girard, and then Ryan Wood with a birthday in Girard as well. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all.